Привет, друзья! Hi, friends! Welcome back to your favorite spot for learning real Russian with me, your Russian teacher, Alicia, who makes grammar fun and phrases unforgettable. Today I'll teach you 5 everyday Russian expressions that native speakers use all the time, but you won't find them in textbooks. Ready? Let's go! So phrase number 1. Ничего себе! Ничего себе! Ничего себе! So literal translation is nothing to yourself. Wait, what? Nothing to yourself? Ничего себе! Ничего себе! Ничего себе! But it actually means, wow, no way. So actually it means that you are surprised. Imagine your friend tells you he won the lottery. You say, ничего себе! Ничего себе! Ничего себе! So, the next phrase. Да ну нафиг! 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 This one's a mix of disbelief and a little drama. It means, no way! You've gotta be kidding me! It's casual, sometimes funny, but don't use it in a job interview. For example, your friend told you a story and you absolutely don't believe him. And you can say, no way, or да ну нафиг, да ну нафиг, да ну нафиг. And it's absolutely casual and you shouldn't use it in a formal way. No way. Да ну нафиг. For example, your friend says he saw a bear on the street. Да ну нафиг. No way I can believe you. Да ну нафиг. It cannot be true. Да ну нафиг. Say with me. Да ну нафиг. Да ну нафиг. Да ну нафиг. The next phrase is ни пуха ни пера. Ни пуха ни пера. Ни пуха ни пера. Ни пуха ни пера. Neither fluff nor feather. Neither fluff nor feather is the literal translation. Its actually idiomatic meaning in English is break a leg or good luck. Good luck. So, ни пуха ни пера is a traditional way Russians wish someone success, especially before a big event like an exam, performance, or competition. It may sound negative literally, but it meant positively, like many superstitions. It's meant to trick fate by pretending not to wish luck. The correct response to this phrase is к черту, to the devil, which again sounds odd but is part of the superstition. So, for example, your friend is going to the meeting with the director to ask the increasing of the salary, and you can tell him ни пуха ни пера, and it will mean good luck. And your friend must answer к черту. It means to the devil. The next phrase is вот это да, oh wow, oh my goodness. You'll hear this when people are shocked, amazed, or excited. Вот это да, вот это да. Your friend shows you their amazing drawing and you say, вот это да, вот это да. Вот это да, вот это да. Next phrase. Бабушка надвое сказала. 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 This phrase is for advanced learners, but it's so Russian. Бабушка надвое сказала. Literally. Grandma said two things. Grandma said two things. It means nobody knows for sure, or it could go either way. So if someone asks, will it snow tomorrow? You, бабушка надвое сказала. Бабушка надвое сказала. Бабушка надвое сказала. no one is sure. I'm not sure, right? No one knows. See, Russian is full of colorful, funny expressions that make you sound more like a native speaker and a lot more fun to talk to. Which one was your favorite today? Tell me in the comments and use it in a sentence. I'll be reading and correcting with love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a new Russian lesson with me. До встречи! Пока-пока!